So, as you can see on the board, you can read. Today we are going to study the concept of Murchana. We are going to see the paribhasha of Murchana. We are going to see the significance of Murchit Parat and types of Murchana. As a Rasa Shastra student, it is very important to understand the concept of Murchana. Even if you are a Ayurvedic student, it's very important to know the process that is Murchana. Now, basically, when there is preparation of any Rasakalpa in Ayurveda, it has been told that there is use of two main ingredients. First is Parat. I'm talking about the Rasakalpas. Okay, and second is Gandhak. In most of Rasakalpas, this both ingredients are used. So, what is Murchana process? What is the concept of Murchana? So, basically, first step is to purify the Parat. Okay. Second step is Murchana. What does Murchana do? It increases the quality of Parad. Parad is also called as mercury. So, the concept of Murchana is to increase the quality of Parad. Now, in this Murchana, to increase the quality of Parad, use of Gandhak or use of Gandhak is done or not done. It is not mandatory to use Gandhak in the process of Murchana. So, the basic concept is to increase the quality of Parad with or without use of Gandhak. This process is called Murchana. Let me repeat it once more. To increase the quality of Parad with or without use of Gandhak, the process is called Murchana. Okay? Now let's understand the paribhasha. Tat vidhi prabhedena rasasya vyabhicharat vyadhi-ghatakata ya syat samatha murchane budhe by rasatarangini. Now, what does paribhasha has to say is that to enhance the rasa quality. Rasa means mercury's quality. Which quality we have to increase in mercury? Vyadhi-ghatakata. Potentially to reduce the diseases. Okay, it should embed the quality of eliminating the disease. Such quality should be embedded in rasa, that is Parat, and this is possible by the procedure of Murchana. So, let me tell you in English. Imbibe therapeutic property into purified mercury in a compound formulation with or without Gandhak through various pharmaceutical process is called Murchana. Paribhasha has to say that tat vidhi prabhedena rasasya vyabhicharat. रसस्य रस को व्याधि घातकता स्यात् व्याधि का घात करने के प्रॉपर्टी उस मर्क्यूरी में इम्बाइब करने के लिए मूर्छना प्रोसेस यूज़ की जाती है. सो लेट मी टेल यू इन इंग्लिश दैट टू एलिमिनेट व्याधि potential Parad is required. So, to increase the quality of Parad, Murchana process is done. Now, Vyadhi-ghatakata word is told, we can say extended understanding. For extended understanding, Vyadhi-ghatakata means Roga Upanayana Samarthya cha Murchana. रोग उपनयन सामर्थ्य च मूर्छना. To eliminate the vyadhi, Murchana is carried out. Rasa Hriday Tantra. So basically, to enhance the quality of Parad, the vyadhi ghatakata, that is to eliminate the vyadhi, such type of quality Parad preparation is done by process of Murchana. Now, process of Murchana requires Gandhak whether it is requires Gandhak or not. That is, use of Gandhak is done during procedure or not. That doesn't matter. Okay. So now I'll not make you more confused. In Murchana, it is not important that we should compulsory use Gandhak. Even if we not, there are procedures where Gandhak is not used, and then also the quality of parad is increased. Okay. So once more, imbibe therapeutic property into purified mercury in a compound formulation with or without Gandhak. With or without Gandhak through various pharmaceutical process. Okay. So now significance. Why is such procedure carried out? So Parat, after Murchana process, the Parad has the quality of Deha Siddhi, Rognashak quality imbibed in Murchit Parat. As I told, Roga Ghatakata, Vyadhi Ghatakata, Rogopanayan Samarthya. That means that such Parat will have Rognashak quality and also Deha Siddhi. What does Deha Siddhi means? It increases the metabolic power, body's Rog Pratikarak Shakti, we can say, that is Deha Siddhi. Now the next point which we are going to see is the types. So types are Sagandha, Nirgandha. So according to use of Gandhak, suppose Murchana is done along with the use of Gandhak, then it is called Sagandha Murchana. If it is done without the use of Gandhak, it is called Nirgandha Murchana. So a Murchana which is carried out as a procedure in preparation of the quality compound. Okay, quality compound is prepared due to Murchana. So when Gandhak is used for preparation of formulation, Kajjali like formulations are formed with the use of Gandhak, and Rasa Sindoor, you can say Makar Dhwaj, and many more Kupipakwa rasayans are there that are prepared. Okay, and Nirgandha, that is, here we are going to use Parat, but we are not going to use Gandhak. Yet the quality of Gandhak, the quality of Parat is increased. Okay, and formulation of Mugdha Ras is formed and Rasa Pushpa, where Gandhak is not used, yet a quality preparation or quality medicinal preparations are carried out. Now second type is Agni Murchana and Anagni Murchana. Now if you have seen my lecture of Kupipakwa Rasan, so while preparation, use of Agni is done, then that is called Agni Murchana. And if Agni is not used, where only the procedure is carried out in a you can say Khalva Yantra, that is Anagni Murchana. So Agni Murchana has Rasa Sindoor and Makar Dhwaj, whereas Anagni Murchana has medicinal preparations like Kajjali and Mugdaras. Okay, so basically now I'll sum up what I told is that in previous lectures we had seen that there are Rasayan formulations, Chaturvid Rasayan formulations. Okay, Chaturvid Rasayan formulations, such that Kupipakwa, Parpati, Pottali, and Kharaliya. So these are the procedures, and when these products like Kupipakwa Rasayan is formed, Parpati is formed, Pottali is formed, Kharaliya is formed. So these are the second steps. But what are the first steps? Is we have to prepare the quality of Parat, and for preparation of quality of Parat, Murchana procedure is carried out. Okay, Murchana procedure is carried out. Now you might be having a question that what is the procedure of Murchana? So suppose now let's say you want to prepare any, you want to increase the quality of parat, right? So I took the parat, okay, this is a khalva yantra, okay. So I took parat. Now inside this uh, I might add gandhak, okay. So parat and gandhak, so this becomes sagandha murchana. If suppose I take a khalva yantra once more, now I'll draw proper khalva yantra. So I'll take here, inside I'll take parat, but now I'll not use gandhak. Instead of gandhak I'll use, so I want to prepare rasa pushpa. I'll take parat, I'll take shuddha kasis, and I'll take sendhav lavan. So here I am not using gandhak. That is called nirgandha murchana. Here for preparation of kajjali I am using parat as well as gandhak. What we have to do basically in this both procedures is triturate them. Triturate parat with the given ingredients, and therefore the quality of parat will increase due to triturating. Okay. So in murchana there are types, that is sagandha murchana, parat along with gandhak, it is triturated to increase the quality of parat, whereas there is second type, that is parat is embedded with kasis or lavan or any other ingredients rather than gandhak. Matlab parat with kasis or lavan or any other ingredient, but gandhak is not used, that is nirgandha murchana. Here also this is triturated and parat's quality is increased. So basically in murchana we have to increase the quality of parat with or without use of gandhak. Okay, this is the type. And next type is agni and niragni. Now in this if we are taking sa agni, then it will be a procedure like a kupi pakwa. Okay, so here agni is given from agni is given to the preparation, whereas the formulations can be with or without gandhak. That is not the matter. What matter is that agni is given, that is called sa agni murchana, whereas only trituration procedure is carried out and murchana is done, that is called anagni murchana. So type we can say sagandhak murchana, nirgandha murchana, sa agni murchana, niragni murchana. Concept of murchana is clear. Okay, next we'll see concept of jarana, and then we'll see the difference between murchana and jarana. Okay, so initially in this video you'll get bit confused, but as soon as you'll proceed down, you'll understand deeply, then you'll be able to understand things very properly. Okay, so don't be scared about Rasa Shastra. It is a very